Namaste everyone. Wish you all wonderful positive energies. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Due to sedentary lifestyle, we all face many issues of the stiffness, like stiffness in the back, neck, shoulders, thighs, knees, and many more. So to come over the stiffness, twists are very simple and easy ways and very effective ways. So specifically twist, now I am focusing on the spine and I will be presenting 5 simple twists to you. This twist really helps a lot to overcome the stiffness, one. Then it also aids the blood supply to the digestive organs. Third, it helps us to remove the toxins from the body and also helps for the space, for the fresh air to flow. So breathing as well as blood circulation. So let us start. So before starting the twist, let us have simple stretch of the spine. So it's only lengthening. Take your hands to the sides. Inhale, take your hands up, interlace your fingers and lengthen. So your roots, sit bones are deeply rooted, and then your spine is lengthened, your arms are lengthened, and slowly come back. Inhale up, lengthen, 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 and slowly come back. Inhale up. You can also choose to look up, lengthen, lengthen, and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come back. Now, first twist is sitting, simple twist. So what I will be doing is, we will be taking the right hand on left knee and left hand at the back, and we will be taking twist. So inhale, your spine is lengthened. Take your right hand on your left knee. Take a twist with your navel first, then chest, then neck, and then head. Take your left hand at the back and look back as much as possible for you. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly come back to the center. Inhale. Take your left hand on your right knee. Right hand will go back. Take a twist from your navel first, then chest, then neck, then head. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly come back. I am showing one more round with little more deeper with the right hand. So now I will be taking little forward. Inhale. Take your right hand as much as comfortable. Take a twist from your navel first, then chest, then neck, then head, and stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly come back to the center. Inhale. Now lengthen. Take your left hand beyond your right knee, and take a twist and stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly come back to the center. Next twist will be in all fours. So before twist, let us go to cat cow. So check for the alignments. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, round your back. 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 Now, inhale, take your right hand up and then take it all the way towards back and stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very slowly take up and take down. Now with other one, left hand. Inhale, take your left hand up and take it all the way like this. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very slowly take up and then take down. You can do as many repetitions like this as possible for you. Now, I am just going in down dog and very, very slowly from there, walk your feet forward, forward, forward and take them between your palms. Now, here what I am doing is you can either keep your knees little bended or straight as comfortable for you. Now I am taking my left palm in front of the feet. There is little distance and it's in between. Now inhale, we are lifting the right hand up. So you can also choose to keep little bend in the left knee to take more and more twist like this and stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very slowly come back. Now take your right palm between the in front and between. Now keep bending your right knee little so that you will get more and more twist to left side. Inhale, take your left hand up. Look towards the palm, left palm, stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very slowly come back. Now, I am grab holding my alternate elbows. So, opposite elbows. With right palm, I am grab holding the left elbow. With left palm, I am grab holding the right elbow. Now, go down as much as possible for you. Inhale. Exhale to take a twist towards your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale towards your left. Inhale, center. Exhale towards right. Inhale, center. Exhale towards left. Keep going down. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. So holding towards right and left, you can choose as per your own convenience, own comfort level, and also repetitions as per the comfort level. Very, very slowly come up. Then next is with spread legs. So spread your legs. Again, the distance between can be 2.5 to 3 feet, or if somebody has more height, then they can choose to between 3 to 3.5 feet. Again, depends on your height. So my feet are parallel to each other. Take your hands on waist. First we will go down. So inhale, open the shoulders, open the chest. Exhale, lengthen your spine and go down. As much as comfortable for you. You can adjust your feet also if needed. Here and little bit here and there. Now I am taking my left palm in between and inhale to take right hand up. Stay there. Look towards your right palm. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Very, very slowly come back. Now my right palm in the center. Inhale, lift your left palm, left hand. Look towards your left palm. Stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very slowly come back. Now from there take your hands on waist and very, very slowly come back. Don't be in a hurry while doing all these things. Join your feet together. Now one more twist in Supine. So lying down on the back. Lie down on the mat. Make sure your shoulders are well supported. Your back is well supported on the floor. Your feet are folded in the knee and open the feet to the corners of the mat. Open your hands in line with your shoulder. Inhale. And exhale to drop your both the knees towards your right side. As much as comfortable for you. And look towards your left side. Stay there for a few breaths. With every breath, keep dropping and your knees more and more. Very, very slowly come back to the center. Inhale. And now drop your knees towards your left side. Both the knees towards left side. And look towards your right. And stay there for a couple of breaths. Very, very slowly come back to the center. And stretch your legs forward. You can do repetitions as many as possible for you. Very, very slowly turn to your right side first. Take support with your left hand and slowly get up. So please keep practicing. These are very, very simple twists but very helpful. So all the twists are helpful to remove the toxins and make the space for the fresh and right blood flow and fresh breath. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Arogyam Dhanasampada. We'll keep posting many more videos for the stiffness or overcome the stiffness due to sedentary lifestyle. Thank you so much. Wish you all wonderful positive energies again.